everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie. So today, you guys, hopefully this is really quick, and the reason why I say that is I don't have a lot for you guys, and I also just got messaged literally right before I hit record. A friend of mine is coming over. We're gonna go out and we're gonna go birding in our woods, so I gotta hurry. Excuse me, sorry y'all, I just knocked that around the table. Okay, so apologies you guys, I'm a mess. I was out feeding the horses, brushing the horses. I am covered in dirt and horsehair. I had a hat on because it's really, really windy out. My hair's tied up. Y'all, I'm a hot mess, but it's spring and it was nice out today. Monday it snowed. Today it's 70 degrees. That's Wisconsin for you. All right, y'all. Very quickly, y'all know I'm sort of a runner, so I finally got a new pair of running shoes, you guys. Just thought I'd show you. I've been running in this brand for forever. These are Brooks Ghosts. These are the 13s, I think. These are the 13s. The 14s are out in the new one, and everything has gone up in price. And so these were like $10 or $15 cheaper, and I was like, that's fine by me. So these are the shoes I run in. These are Brooks Ghosts. Obviously, they are women's, and you know, I don't care what color they are. I could care less what they look like because I wear them out. So I really like them. Let me tell you that when you find a shoe and you get comfortable running in it, you probably want to stay in it. The toe box, the drop on the shoe, everything, you're going to get used to it. Your running stride's going to get used to it. Your body's going to get used to it. So I have been running in the Ghosts since the Ghost 6 were out. That is the 13. The 14 is out right now. So it's been a few years. All right, y'all. I got my Splendies. Just got this, pretty excited. Really like their packaging, you guys. It is, you know, biodegradable, which is great. Less plastic. Let me see if I can get it open. I've been getting this for a couple months, you guys, and I feel like the price might have changed, so I'm not even going to quote it here in the video. I'll just put it down in the description. All right. Very, very cute. Very, very nicely put together. Obviously, probably done right from the factory. I'm not really sure, but ooh, these are pretty. All right, I got 3 pair. They're very colorful for spring. Y'all, what is it with the see-through panties? Okay, deep breath. Oh, look, I can see you through the underwear. All right, here's the tag. They're cute. They're very see-through. I like the elastic. They look really nice. They're cute. Some lace. Let's get a quick look at the stitching to see the quality. Everything looks in order. Honestly, I can't stand the fact they're totally like, I can see the camera through the underwear. And it's not getting any better. There's the next pair. Y'all, pretty much see-through again. These are really pretty, very pretty lace. They're actually like I guess they're flowers. I was thinking they're kind of cloverish. Honestly, they kind of do look a little cloverish, but we'll just call them flowers. I love the color. I love the color. Can you tell? I like the oranges, you guys. I do love the color. These are supposed to be the same size, but honestly, you guys, do you think they're the same size? Like, can you see the difference? What is up with that? Okay. Like, literally, I think I changed my sizing for the next month on these. And yeah, y'all, like, these look at least one size difference. And if I line up the waistbands, we're talking inches. Oh, that's not cool. All right, these are some wild colors. And again, lots of blues, purples. These are really pretty. There's like birds in here, bees, feathers, flowers. Those are pretty. Those look like the same size as the first pair. They're not see-through. I like that. They're a little, there's elastic, but it's not as, you know, maybe as good quality of elastic as that first pair, but I mean, like literally, you guys, 2 totally different pairs. They're all marked the same. Even these are a little difference in sizing, you guys. I'll have to get a picture of that, you guys, and send it into Splendies and be like, really? Like, What is the deal? And I think this is why, literally, I haven't really paid attention, you guys, but literally I went up a size because I feel like these are not the right size for me. And I'm like, what is the deal? I think it's because literally these are all different sizes. So if I line them all up on the left edge, there's like differences in sizes. You guys, what is the deal? It goes light blue, then the dark blue is obviously not as long as light blue, and then these kind of come in like this is the smallest. Okay, that's disappointing. Honestly, you guys, the pricing on this is pretty good. It's like $15, $16, or $17 a month. Like I said, I feel like they just changed the price. I feel like it was $15. Maybe it's changed. I will put that either on the screen or down below in the description, you guys. It'll for sure be in the description, but the sizing thing, literally, they are all marked as an extra large. And they're like way different sizes. So, all right, you guys, if you get Splendies, let me know. Check these, you guys. When you get your package, let me know. Check your 3 pair and tell me, are they like way off? Like, or did I just get some like mismatched craziness? I don't know, you guys. All right. Thank you so much for joining me. I told you all it would be really quick. I hope you're having a good week. Like I said, actually, it's Thursday night tonight. Monday here in Wisconsin, we had snow. I had 2 inches of snow when I was leaving the house for work. It was gone by the end of the day, but it was still unpleasant to wake up to. And it was like 70 degrees today. And then tomorrow, it's going to be really cold and windy and rainy. So it's spring. I hope you guys are having good weather. I hope you're having a nice week and you got a great plans for the weekend. We have Midwest Horse Fair here in Dane County, which is the county that houses the capital of Wisconsin, which is the city of Madison, which is north of me. So it's just going to be a wild weekend with a lot of horse people in the area. So a lot of traffic, a lot of stuff going on. I'm going to try to connect with some friends, but definitely got some videos for you guys coming out. So stay tuned, hit the subscribe button, make sure it's checked in. I got a couple of notices from some people saying, oh, I got unsubscribed from you. I've gotten unsubscribed from some of my friends from YouTube as well. So YouTube's at it again. Double check, make sure not just me, but anybody you're subscribed to on YouTube. If you haven't heard from in a while, you might be unsubscribed from them. So check it out. And like I said, have a great week, you guys. I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.